students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that make 5 more examples and find the greater number from them. As we discussed in the first question, we are given a set of two numbers, and out of that set, we have to find out the number which is greater. So here it is given that we have to make from ourselves 5 more example, and from that we have to find out the greater number. So let us considering we can say that we can make the examples ourselves. Let one is 8.4 or the another is 8.43. Let's B is 7.76 or 7.84. Let's C is 1.11 or 1.10. Let's D is, we have to make 5 example. D is 0.05 or 0.005. Let's the E is 0.128 or 0.112. So let's say this is our 5 examples, and out of this we have to find out which number is greater. So from here, look in the part A, we have 8. 8 and 8 is equal in both. Then after point we have 4 here, and we are also having 4 here. Now here is nothing after point, but here in this we have 3. We know that if after decimal there is nothing after the digit which is after the decimal, so we always consider 0. So here, look here, it is 0, it is 3. So from here, we know that 3 is greater than 0. So we can say that 8.43 is greater than 8.4. So this is the answer to the part 1. Let's move to the next part. In the B, we are given here that is 7.76 and 7.84. Look, 7 and 7 are both equal. Then after decimal, it's 7 here and it's 8 here. We know that 8 is greater than 7. So we can easily say that 7.84 is greater than 7.76. Now let's move to the part C. Here we have 1.11 or 1.10. So look here, 1 is equal, 1 is here, both are equal. Then after point, it's 1 here, it's 1 here. Then both 1 are equal, and after that it's 1 here and it's 0 here. We know that 1 is greater than 0. So from here we can say that 1.11 is greater than 1.10. Now let's move to this D part. We have 0 here and 0 here. Both zeros are equal. Now considering the digits after point, it's 0. Again here it is 0. So both are equal. Now after that it's 5 here. But it is 0 here. We know that 5 is greater than 0. So for that we can say that 0.05 is greater than 0.005. So this is the answer to the part D of the question. Let's move to the part E. In the part E, it is 0 here. Also it is 0. So both zeros are equal. Now after that, after point decimal, we have 1 here. It's also 1 here. 1 and 1 are equal. Now let's move to the next digit. It's 2 here, but here it is 1. We know that 2 is greater than 1. So from here we can say that 0.128 is greater than 0.112. So this is the answer to the last part. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of decimals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.